15 worst cars that no one buys according to Consumer Reports. When it comes to buying a car, we all want to feel like we're making a smart investment. But what if I told you that some cars on the market are nothing short of financial disasters? Cars that look amazing on paper but quickly turn into regrets on wheels. In this video, we're revealing the 17 worst cars that no one buys, according to Consumer Reports. From engines that fail prematurely to repair bills that rival a down payment on a new car, these vehicles are filled with issues. And here's the kicker: the last car on this list is so unreliable that it's practically guaranteed to cost you thousands in repairs before hitting 50,000 miles. Stick around to the end, because this isn't just a list, it's a buyer's guide on what not to buy. Miss this, and you could be driving straight into a financial nightmare you'll regret for years. 15. Chevrolet Blazer. At first glance, the Chevrolet Blazer seems appealing with its bold design and tech features. Priced steeply at $44,000, it struggles with engine stalling, electrical issues, and poor reliability, especially in 2020-2021 models. Fuel efficiency is disappointing at 20 mpg, and rapid depreciation adds to ownership costs. With high insurance premiums, expensive repairs, and subpar crash test results, the Blazer is a risky and costly SUV choice. 14. Lincoln Aviator. A luxury SUV that misses the mark in key areas. With a starting price of $53,000, climbing up to $88,000 for the Black Label, you'd expect top-tier luxury, but it fails to deliver. The biggest problem: models from 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2024 have been recalled for serious issues, including electrical system failures and faulty airbags. Fuel economy is another disappointment at just 18 mpg combined. 13. Volvo XC60. Stylish and compact, the Volvo XC60 starts at $53,000. It boasts luxury design, a premium interior, and top safety ratings. But beneath the surface, troubling issues emerge. The 2024 model alone has faced 3 major recalls for transmission problems, engine stalling, and infotainment system failures. Fuel efficiency sits at 22 mpg, average for its class but underwhelming at this price. With steep maintenance costs and quickly rising repair bills, the XC60 struggles to offer long-term value. 12. Rivian R1T. The Rivian R1T grabs attention with its innovative design and off-road capabilities. Starting at $71,700, it's not cheap, and the Ascend Tri-Motor model pushes the price to $111,700. While it offers a 314-mile range, owners report software glitches, suspension issues, and delays in repairs. The unique charging connector and limited station availability make long trips a challenge. With 4 recalls in 2024, including airbag and accelerator pedal issues, the R1T feels more like a gamble than a reliable choice. 11. Polestar 2. The Polestar 2, priced at $49,900, combines sedan styling with hatchback practicality. While stylish, it comes with frequent infotainment glitches, especially in 2021-2022 models. Safety ratings are solid, but the stiff ride, high repair costs, and limited service centers make the Polestar 2 a tough sell for long-term ownership. 10. Ford Bronco. The Ford Bronco starts at $39,600 and can reach $69,350 in the Raptor trim. While loved for its rugged design and off-road features, it's plagued by reliability issues. Recalls have affected models from 2021 to 2023 for cracked fuel injectors, raising fire risks. Transmission problems, noisy engines, and an outdated infotainment system add to the disappointment. With poor fuel economy at 17 mpg, cheap cabin materials, and a rough driving experience, the Bronco doesn't live up to its adventurous image. 9. Buick Encore. The Buick Encore, from $26,000, is praised for ride comfort and cargo space, but it lacks performance. The 1.4L turbocharged engine feels underpowered, struggling during highway merges. Owners report transmission issues, AC malfunctions, and electrical failures. 8. Dodge Durango. Starting at $40,000, the Dodge Durango impresses with best-in-class towing capacity and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 5 seconds. However, it has serious drawbacks. Fuel economy is a weak point, with the V8 engine averaging just 15 mpg. Engine failures, exhaust manifold issues, and below-average safety scores make the Durango a difficult daily driver, despite its performance. 7. Jeep Wrangler. The Jeep Wrangler, from $33,000, is a favorite for off-road enthusiasts, but it struggles on paved roads. Owners describe the steering as vague and wandering, making highway driving unsafe. With multiple recalls for fuel line defects, airbag issues, and structural cracks, plus poor fuel economy, 19 mpg, the Wrangler comes with too many trade-offs for regular driving. 6. Jaguar F-Pace. The Jaguar F-Pace, priced from $58,300, offers luxury looks but suffers from electrical problems, excessive oil consumption, and failing fuel pumps. Several recalls have been issued for faulty brakes, posing serious safety risks. For a luxury SUV, the F-Pace delivers more headaches than performance, with Jaguar ranking 29th out of 32 manufacturers in reliability surveys. 5. Nissan Frontier. Starting at $29,000, the Nissan Frontier has a rugged image but mixed reviews. Models from 2005 to 2018 are especially problematic, facing transmission failures, engine issues, and airbag recalls. Fuel economy remains weak at 18 mpg, and despite redesigns, it still falls short of competitors in value and refinement. 4. Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. Though it boasts an 82 mpg rating and a $7,500 tax credit, the Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid, from $44,145, faces serious reliability problems. Owners have reported frozen screens, battery malfunctions, and charging issues. In 2023, over 67,000 units were recalled due to a defective wiring connector that could cause engine shutdowns. 3. Volkswagen Jetta. Priced at $21,995, the Volkswagen Jetta seems like a bargain, but reliability issues persist. Transmission failures, engine stalling, and electrical problems are common. Crash test ratings are average, and recalls related to fuel lines and airbags raise further concerns. 2. Land Rover Range Rover Sport. Starting at $85,100, the Range Rover Sport offers luxury features and powerful engines, but high maintenance costs and frequent mechanical issues diminish its appeal. Models from 2006 to 2008 and 2013 were particularly troublesome, with engine, transmission, and electrical failures making ownership expensive and frustrating. 1. Fiat 500L. The Fiat 500L, starting at $24,000, seems like a quirky and affordable option, but its performance disappoints. Transmission failures, engine stalling, and poor fuel efficiency, 25 mpg, are common. It also loses up to 50% of its value in just 3 years, making it a bad long-term investment. Did any of these cars surprise you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this video saved you from a bad purchase, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our future content on the best and worst cars in the market. And if you want to discover near-perfect cars that are actually worth your money, click the link in the description. Your dream car might be just a click away. See you there.